Here I have OPPO A58, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. By just tapping on it, you can switch it. So by holding your finger and tapping more, you can access some of its settings. So here you can change your hotspot's name, here you can change its password, here you can change its security protocol. You can also change AP band. You can hide your hotspot. You can display QR codes to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can manage connected devices, like you can add them to block list. You can set up maximum allowed limit of devices. You can set up data usage limit. You can also set your hotspot to turn off automatically when there's no devices are connected for 10 minutes. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering and for USB tethering and for Ethernet tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.